I'm circling my mind in a blizzard. I'm finally learning the songs of making myself known. Oh hello, the blizzard that comes towards me. Oh cold like winter. Oh no power, no power. Oh when will we get the power to come back on? Oh, let's heat up, bundle up, too cold for snowball fights. Oh, I'm circling my mind in a blizzard. I'm finally learning the slopes of making myself known. Oh, good morning, even when we don't have power, we have our body heat. Oh, keeping us warm. Oh, we will survive. Yes, oh yes, we will. We will make it in this world. Just don't ever give up on your dreams. Oh, I'm circling my mind in a blizzard. I'm finally learning the slopes of making myself known. Oh, this blizzard that enters your path. Oh, you can be victorious. Stay warm, winter will pass. Oh, spring will be around the corner. Oh, yes, it will. Let's enjoy spring. Goodbye, winter. You had a hard winter, but we survived. Oh, I'm circling my mind in a blizzard. I'm finally learning the slopes of making myself known. Oh, this blizzard that enters your path. Oh, you can be victorious. Stay warm, winter will pass.